Hi everyone, my name is Susan, and I'm currently a graduate student at the Johns Hopkins School of Nursing, and I've been using Glean for about half a year now, since October of 2024. And I was first introduced to Glean through my accommodations office at my school, and this was when I was really struggling with note taking, staying focused during lectures, and organizing my information and notes in a way that made sense to me. And so, as someone who is managing a disability that affects my attention and processing, traditional note taking just wasn't going to be effective for me. So, I needed a more accessible and flexible way to support my learning. So with Glean, I felt that it has made a huge difference in how I manage the challenges I mentioned earlier, especially around focusing and processing during lectures. I felt really overwhelmed and pressured trying to keep up with everything and write it down. But now I feel like I can fully focus on listening and understanding the lecture material in real time, which helps me stay more engaged during class. And especially because I know that I can go back to review like the old audio transcripts and outline that were created for me. And some of my favorite features are that I can highlight like the key notes that I should go back to for studying or like important things that I should know. And I also like the timer on the top right corner because I use it as a Pomodoro method. And overall, Glean has really helped make school feel more manageable and I feel more confident with schoolwork.